Arthur Frederick Sanders said, brain cells create ideas. Stress kills brain cells. Stress is not a good idea. Everyone in the audience has experienced stress at least once a week. So it's scary to think that brain cells are getting killed. I have done weeks of research about stress, and I'll explain the immediate of increased stress, decreased stress, and long-term stress on the body. First, I'm going to explain the immediate effects of increased stress on the body. In an article on the website Science Direct, Robert Murson describes the steps that happen in the brain when we feel stress. First, the amygdala in the brain interprets stress signals and sends them to the hypothalamus, which acts as the command center in the brain. It communicates to the nervous system and activates the sympathetic nervous system, which prepares the body for action. Therefore, the body releases the hormone epinephrine or adrenaline, which causes increased heart rate, blood going to the muscles, and the release of sugar and fat. That's why increased stress is often associated with heart attacks and blood pressure. In this diagram here, I'm trying this an illustration of what happens in the body, especially when we feel stress. In this diagram, you can see the location of the hypothalamus and the brain, which activates the pituitary gland. That gland produces adrenaline and adrenal cortex, which produces cortisol, a stress hormone in the body. Now I'm going to tell you about the immediate effects of decreased stress in the body. According to the medical article, The Biology of Stress, the sympathetic nervous system will continue to rush the cortisol through the body, which raises anxiety. The parasympathetic nervous system has to take control and put on brakes so that the muscles can relax, so that breathing can deepen, and so the blood pressure can decrease. Finally, I would like to discuss the long-term effects of stress on the body and how it's important to reduce stress. According to an article, the Harvard Medical School website, the long-term effects can be heart disease and hypertension. The article recommends relaxation techniques, deep abdominal breathing. Think about think word, imagining being in a calm place, prayer or yoga. For example, a good breathing exercise is called 4-7-8 method. Blood vessels relax when you breathe in 4 counts. Hold your breath for 7 counts and draw your breath for 8 counts. Today, I've told you about the immediate effects of increased stress, decreased stress, and long-term stress on the body. I hope you have a better understanding of the effects of stress and what happens when you decrease it. Mark Black says, sometimes the most important thing you do is to relax. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.